Hello everyone and welcome back, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to work with anchors. Okay, so let's say you have a longer website, sort of like this one. This one isn't too long, however, if you start scrolling down and scrolling down and scrolling down, okay, you get all this information, you get the contact. But what if you want to come back up? What if you have to go back down? It can get tiring for the user when scrolling up and down, and we do want to make sure that our user interface or our user friendliness of our site is at its highest. Okay, so how we're going to do that is we're going to work by connecting your menu buttons here, okay, to a couple pages or a couple parts of your page here, using the anchors. Okay, we're also going to link this back to top button, so let's go ahead and do it. We're going to come over here, click on the add element button, come down here to apps, and then click on anchor here. All right, that is going to give you an anchor. So let's go ahead. This is going to be for our back to top button here. Let's make one for the classes, the contact, and about the gym and about the coach. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4 more. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they're all stacked on top of each other. We're just going to move them to where we want them to go. That's more than half of what you have to do. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's bring this one all the way up to the top of our page. This is going to be the top most. Okay, and then let's go ahead and name this anchor here by right clicking, going to edit, and let's name it top. Now we're just going to complete the process for each and every one of our anchors as we move down. Okay, so let's go here. Let's say we wanted to show up about right here. As far as about the gym, we'll place our anchor right there at the top. Okay, so when that part hits the top, that is when the person is going to be able to see this full view here that we have. Okay, so let's go ahead and name this one about gym, then confirm. All right, so let's bring our next one down. So let's come down here, and now we're going to put this right here so that whenever the person gets to this space here, let's go ahead and back up. All right, and they're going to see our classes. So let's name this one classes. Okay, and now let's come down here. We're going to pull this all the way down to our coach. And once again, we're going to place this where we want it. Okay, this is going to be about our coach. And then the last one here, let's pull that down. And this is going to be for our contact us. All right, so let's pull this down to where we want it to be. And for me, it's going to be about right here. Okay, so let's name this one here contact, and then let's go back and name this one here coach. Okay, now all we have to do is link our anchor. So let's start by our button here. Let's right click, let's go into action, and let's go here to anchor. We're going to link it to the top anchor here. Okay, now what we're going to do is come over here, going to configure. We're going to come over here, and now we're going to link this here. So this is going to go to an anchor. All right, so let's go to our classes here, click OK, and confirm here. And this is inside of the menu. I'm going to do the same thing for our contact and our gym. So let's go here, let's go to contact, let's go here to about the gym, and let's go here to about the coach. All right, now this is an extra one here, so we're going to go ahead and get this one out of here, confirm that, save here. All right, and now once we save and go preview, we have a working menu here. Let's actually move this over just a little bit and come back to our menu. So if we click on class, we see our classes here. Okay, and if we want to go back to top, we can do that as well. We can go here, the same with contact us, the same here with about the gym, and also the same here with about the coach. Now, one more thing that you can do to help you out when you're working with anchors is you can right click here and put fix on page for your header. Now what that's going to do is every time you scroll, your header is going to follow you. All right, now how can we use this in an anchor page is if we come over here in preview, click on class. All right, as we're here at the classes, we still have our menu up top. Okay, so we never really use that. We don't have to keep going to back to top. All right, we can do it again for contact us, about the gym, about the coach, and then right back up top. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.